This takes a little while because I do like to get the skin really crispy on the striped bass.
All right.
Okay.
So you're just seasoning with salt.
Use salt. We'll use the olive oil.
Okay.
Okay. Get nice
And
and
a little
hot.
salt's
And it's
okay,
very
right?
important.
Oh, a
too.
little bit is absolutely fine, unless there's something with your own child's health or your health.
So when you do use striped bass, it's really important to get them really, really dry. So
Okay.
no moisture on there, because then that will make it not stick into the pan.
Okay.
Okay,
Get
and
the
you're
skin
doing
really crispy.
skin
down.
Skin down.
Skin down, yeah.
Mushrooms also are good for the immune system, and that's good every time of the year. You know, whether it's wintertime or summertime, our immune systems can always use a little boost.
Exactly, especially when you go back to school, or you know you're working long hours and your body can't bounce back the way it usually does.
Yes. So
Incorporating mushrooms into your meals.
For parents
probably a
and
good
for
idea.
children.
And all mushrooms have the same nutritional value, correct?
Yeah, I think they're all pretty similar, and so whatever your taste likes, whatever you have available to you.